everybody. Stay tuned for a person's very first ride on a Harley.
On this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I'm fighting for my soul, God, get at your boy. You try to go, God, fall back, I go hard. On this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I see them long, hard times to come.
So how many people, or of you, have taken someone on their very first ride on a motorcycle? Whether it be a Harley, a cruiser, a sport bike, anything. Were they young? Were they older? Were they middle-aged? A few months back, beginning of the year, you guys remember I took little Anthony on his very first ride ever on a motorcycle. It just so happened to be on my Harley. Today, I'm going to take my stepmother on her very first ride ever on a motorcycle. I do not know how old she is. I honestly have no idea. I know my pops is 70. I'm pretty sure she's a bit younger than him. She's English, from the UK. It's not going to happen right now, obviously, but it's going to happen here in a couple hours. So I'm actually headed kind of that way now. So I will be back whenever we are going on a ride.
Wait, there's no back on this.
No, you have to hold on to me.
Oh my God. Wait. Oh.
So I got my stepmom on the bike. Very interesting. She's doing pretty good. You don't give the beginners ride very much. You forget to be a little bit safe, but I'm being as safe as I can. Feel a little bit of the power?
Go on then.
Tight. We only got up to about 75.
Oh, is that all?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Man, it seemed a lot faster than that in getting my car.
Well, it's actually been a few days later since we did the ride. I did not get a chance to actually finish the video out. Because we did the ride, went to dinner, did some other stuff, and then haven't really been on a bike since. So it's actually a few days later. A really shitty day today. It's raining all day long. It's like, give me just like a couple minutes so I can go out and finish my video. But anyways, it was a great visit from my dad and stepmom. We had a wonderful time. She had a great ride. She really enjoyed it. She didn't like turning around when I did the U-turn, but she did have a great, wonderful time, and that's good. That's real good. Hopefully I get to see them again soon. The first time I seen them in, oh shit, 8-9 years, something like that. It's been a while. But I'm glad that she got to be, or I got to be her very first ride on a motorcycle. And not only just a motorcycle, it was a Harley. But she did have a wonderful time. So that's going to end it for this one. Thanks everybody for watching. Come on, dude. It's not snow. Thanks for everybody for watching. All the subscribers. Make sure you hit that like button. If you're new here, check out one of the other videos. Maybe you want to subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you share. And also, don't forget to comment. And before I forget, y'all remember a video I did a long time ago, well, at the beginning of the year, with little Anthony, taking him on his very first ride? Well, I got to do a big shout out to Mama Mary Pemberton. Plays the role of Anthony's mama. So happy birthday to you. I believe it was yesterday. So dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.